Hello everyone, my name is Emily and today I'm going to show you how to make this water candle right here and also explain how it works. So here are all the materials needed for this experiment. For special occasions, decorations are also optional. To start, we're going to fill this jar with 3/4 of water. A fun fact about water is that water is unique in that its density is not constant, but actually increases as it gets colder. After water is filled, we can now pour the oil in the jar. As you can see, the oil doesn't actually mix with the water. This is because oil is less dense than water. This is due to the fact that oil molecules are lighter and more spread out than water molecules, which makes oil less dense. For the next step, we are going to cut this plastic into a circle. After a hole is cut in the center of this piece of plastic, we are going to insert the cotton bud inside. Later, the cotton bud will be the wick of the candle and will be lit up. Next, we're going to place the cotton bud and plastic inside the jar. Before lighting up the candle, the wick has to absorb enough oil to start burning. Finally, we're going to attempt to light up our candle. After a while, the candle is successfully lit. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.